Deadly birds. Number 3. The ostrich, the largest bird alive. Standing up to 9 feet tall and weighing over 300 pounds, this African giant can hit 45 miles per hour in a sprint. One powerful kick from those massive legs can shatter bones or kill a lion. Or a human who gets too close. Don't let the goofy neck fool you. It's a feathered tank. Number 2. The southern cassowary, often called the most dangerous bird on Earth. This dinosaur-looking beast from New Guinea and Australia sports a 4-inch dagger-like claw on each foot. It can leap and slash with terrifying force. There are recorded human fatalities from those razor kicks when the bird feels threatened. Territorial, fast, and zero chill. Number 1. The undisputed king. The cassowary reigns supreme as the world's deadliest bird to humans. With its helmet-like casque, explosive speed, and those killer claws, it's the only bird confirmed to have killed people in modern times, slicing arteries or disemboweling in a single strike. Respect the jungle dinosaur, or stay far away, buddy. Stay safe out there. Nature doesn't play.